Exercise 3.6, Quadrants and Circular Functions. Find the quadrant that contains angle t. Okay, so let us again review our understanding of the circular functions. So given an angle whose angle measure is defined by the length of the arc, and let's say for example the length of the arc is t, that arc has an endpoint. That endpoint is this one. And where does the circular function come in? Well, guess what? The x-coordinate of that point, the terminal point, is cosine of t, and the y-coordinate is our sine of t. Now, bear in mind that this is not any other arc. This is an arc in the unit circle. So let us find the quadrant that contains angle t given the following conditions. Sine of t is greater than 0 and cosine of t is less than 0. So if sine of t is greater than 0, that means the y-coordinate of our terminal point is above the horizontal axis. Okay? It's above the horizontal axis. Now, cosine of t is less than 0. So that means the x-coordinate of our terminal point is to the left of your vertical axis. So that means angle t is here. It is in the second quadrant. Sine of t is less than 0. Tangent of t is less than 0. So where is the sine function or the y-coordinate of our terminal point less than 0? It's when the terminal point is here below the horizontal axis. Now where is tangent of t negative? Again, tangent of t is equal to y over x. So where below the horizontal axis is tangent of t negative. So that means y and x have different signs. Well, where else? But in the fourth quadrant. Okay? Because in the fourth quadrant, y is negative, but x is positive. So if you compute for tangent of t, it's going to be negative. But sine of t here is also negative because it is below the horizontal axis. Fourth quadrant. How about when cosine of t is greater than 0 and cotangent of t is less than 0? So again, cosine of t is the x-coordinate of our terminal point, the terminal point of your arc. So where is cosine of t positive? It is here to the right of our vertical axis. Now where is cotangent of t negative? Again, cotangent of t is equal to x over y. So where does x and y have differing signs? That would be here. Again, in the fourth quadrant, because in the fourth quadrant, your x is positive, but your y is negative. Secant of t is less than 0 and sine of t is greater than 0. Now, secant of t is equal to 1 over cosine of t. So that means it's 1 over x. So where is x negative? It is negative here in the left side of our vertical axis. Now where is sine of t positive? Sine of t is positive above the horizontal axis. Angle t is in the second quadrant. Cosecant of t is greater than 0 and cotangent of t is also greater than 0. Cosecant of t is equal to 1 over y. Cosecant of t is the reciprocal of the sine function. So where is 1 over y positive in your rectangular coordinate system? It is positive here, above the horizontal axis. Now, where is cotangent of t positive? It is positive when both x and y are positive, and that can only happen here in the first quadrant.